Next is while separating. Now you have to tell while separating what thing? While separating a mixture of ortho, para, nitrophenol by steam distillation. Name the isomer which will be steam volatile, give reason. First, you have to understand what exactly is steam distillation. What exactly is steam distillation? What is distillation? Distillation is basically to separate the mixtures with the help of boiling points. That means the boiling point of two mixtures should be different. So, steam distillation, that means it just needs steam and it will get, it will vaporize. That means the boiling point is very low. So now beta, let us talk about two things they have given us. First, so beta, you have ortho. This is OH. This is N double bond O. This is O. This is positive. This is negative. Right? So beta, now can you see this is hydrogen that is bonded to oxygen and this is your oxygen. Here so beta, you can see hydrogen bond. But that is within one molecule, so it will be called as intramolecular hydrogen bonding. है ना? It will be intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Right? Acha. What about the next thing over here? If you have this thing, para. This is OH. This is N double bond O, O positive negative. You have one more structure like that. This is for example O, H, right? This is N double bond O, O positive negative, right? Okay, I think you are not able to see that. Wait a minute, let me draw it on the next page. Yes, okay, let me draw it on the next page. So you see this, if you talk about the para, what kind of hydrogen bonding is there? You have one OH, this is your nitrogen, double bond O, O, this is negative, this is positive, right? Then for example, you have one more molecule, this is your O, this is H, this is N on the para position, O, this is negative, this is positive. Now you see one thing here, okay? This is hydrogen that is bonded to electronegative element. This is oxygen that is already electronegative. There will be hydrogen bonding, right? You can see other hydrogen bondings as well, right? Okay, with different molecules. Even this, if for example I say this is one more molecule, this is your OH and this is N double bond O, this is O negative positive, but this will be in resonance, okay? This NO2 group will be in resonance, right? So again you will see hydrogen bonding over here, right? Again you will see hydrogen bonding over here. That means what exactly you can see here, that is your intermolecular hydrogen bond. Okay, you can see intermolecular hydrogen bond over here. Okay, beta. So that is your intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Now, ma'am, the question was regarding steam distillation. Now, if someone is very connected to their own home, I'm very happy with my own family. My mother, my sister, my parents, my brother are my best friends, right? So I won't be very interested in other people. I'll be like, okay, I have my own family. If I have any trouble, I will talk to my own family, right? So that means when you have intramolecular H bonding with other molecule of phenol, orthophenol is less. Orthophenol is less. Okay. Acha. What is the next thing? That means bonding is less, force of attraction is less, boiling point will be less. Okay. Chalo. Here beta, the interactions are hydrogen bonding. So force of attraction is more, boiling point is more, right? So more is the boiling point, less is the steam distillation because it requires more temperature. But this will be steam volatile. That is why we say ortho nitrophenol. Ortho, this is a very important question. Phenol is steam volatile. Okay, is steam volatile. Okay, you see in competitive exams also you will see these kind of questions. Okay,